understanding servings and portions? Are you eating too much o ikaw ba yun? So ito, i-discuss po sa atin ito. Coach Sheng Giliarte, go ahead po. Good morning.
Hello po, magandang umaga. Salamat po, Coach Jessie. So, ako po ulit si Coach Cheng and thank you po sa mga regular attendees natin dito sa Zoom, sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club, sa Facebook Live. So, welcome po sa mga first-timers. Ayan. So, ako po pala si Cheng Giliarte ulit and I am turning 33 years old this October. So hindi ko feel na ako ay magta-33, parang 23 lang. Yes. And ginamit ko po yung product sa maraming paraan sa aking weight loss program nung ako po ay nagsa-start pa nung college pa po ako. And sa akin din pong sports nutrition as a Dragon Boat athlete and sa aking two healthy, happy pregnancy, sa aking two Herbalife healthy kids, and up until now that I am on my second journey po ng breastfeeding, 3 years and still counting. So, um, 3 years and 6 months, ayan. So, sa buong journey na po yun, of course, lahat po yun ay na-enjoy ko, powders and supplements of Herbalife. Ang aking, to name some of my favorite products ay NRG, Extracal, Herbalife line, personalized protein powder, Formula 2 vitamins and minerals, Rebuild Strength, Mineral Herbal Complex, Nightworks, Fiber and Herb, Fiber Bond. Ayan. So, ang dati ko pong lifestyle is hindi ko po nagustuhan kasi po very unhealthy, laging irritable, laging masungit. So, with the help of course, the personalized nutrition program of Herbalife, um, nakalose po ako ng total of 60 pounds. And bonus pa po, I have a very supportive coach, patient coach, and of course, ito pong community na meron tayo na nagbibigay sa atin ng positivity, ng push, ng more knowledge, more information sa ating journey, 'di ba? Kanina nga discuss yung 7 pillars. So this is not just about nutrition but all aspects ng ating life ay nabibigyan tayo ng knowledge and of course na ng information na pwede nating i-apply every day of our lives. Ayan. So, ngayon po ang aking topic na i-share sa inyo ay yung understanding servings versus portions. So malalaman natin kung tayo ba ay kumakain ng sobra-sobra. Ayan, so tanungin niyo yung sarili niyo kung kumakain ba kayo ng sobra-sobra when you are eating your regular meals. So let's start po with the difference ng servings and portions. So umpisahan po natin sa servings. Ang servings po, in short, ito po ay yung mga recommended sizes. Ito po yung amount ng food na nakalista po sa mga labels ng pagkain or in short yung mga nutrition facts labels na makikita po natin sa pagkain. So of course, meron po yung standard measurements, ayun, yung nutrition labels, makikita nyo po doon, and yung guideline servings. So, kung ilang servings lang ba ang, ang kung ilan ang merong servings doon sa packaged food na yon. Okay? So, yung portions naman po, this is the, uh, ito po yung ating kinakain, what we eat. So it really depends or may mga factors um, yung portions kapag tayo po ay kumakain. Minsan we take larger than servings. So kung kailangan ay 1 cup lang, we take 2 cups, 'di ba? Hindi natin alam nagte-take na tayo ng more than the servings. So we also have our personal choices. Ay gusto ko ganitong portion lang. So malaking factor din yung pagkakaroon ng mindful eating practices. So yung portion, again, ito yung how much food that we choose to eat at one time. So, either nasa restaurant ka, either may hawak kang isang pack ng food, or you are at home. Ayan. So, I hope alam nyo na po ang pagkakaiba ng servings and portions. So, ang typical serving size, of course, yun yung standard measurement for a healthy eating. So, yung common portions naman, yan naman yung often na sumusobra tayo than the recommended serving size. Of course, yung iba't ibang products po, iba't ibang foods, meron yan iba't ibang serving size. Kaya, it really depends how much we choose to eat, yung portion size, it may match or not match yung serving size. So it really depends sa ating choices when we get the portions. Okay? Ayan. So paano ba natin um, mapapractice ang mindful eating when it comes to eating habits, of course, and paano ba natin mapapractice ang the serving and yung portion. Ayan. So, before that, bibigyan ko po kayo ng example. Ito pong nutrition facts na nakikita nyo sa screen is an example of a frozen lasagna with the serving size of 1 cup. Pero po, yung container niya has 4 servings. So, kung nakikita nyo po, 4 servings per container. So, kung ang choice mo is to eat 2 cups or half the package, so ang kakainin mo ay 2 servings. So, that's 2 cups. Okay? So, may onting math lang po. So, kung yung 1 serving po is equivalent to 280 calories, yung nasa number 2, yung pink, okay? But your choice is to eat 2 servings. So 280 times 2 is 560 calories. That's equivalent to 1 meal already of rice and protein. Okay? So, you just ate po yung lasagna. So, naka 500 calories na po kayo. So, in this case po, eating 2 servings would mean getting twice the calories. Okay? And other nutrients. So, naka-double calories ka na, naka-double fat, cholesterol, sodium, carbohydrates, protein, and lahat po ng nutrients na nakalista dyan sa food label. So, ganun po ang pagiging mindful sa portion na kakainin natin in our foods. Okay, so that's just an example of a nutrition facts label ng frozen lasagna from the USFDA. Ayan. So, para lang pong ma-imagine nyo kung paano po ba ang portion, and hindi lang po portion ang nakukuha natin na larger than the serving, but also yung calories. May added calories pa. O, di ba? And ito po, bigyan ko po kayo ng tips for mindful eating. And before I start with my tips, so paano ba, kung tatanungin mo yung sarili mo, paano na ako kakain, di ba? So, ipoportion ko pa yung kakainin ko, ganyan. Di ba? So, yung serving size ng nasa food label, it may be more or less than the amount you should eat. Of course, it really depends sa age mo, yung current weight and height, yung metabolism, kung babae ka ba or lalaki. And factor din po yung how active you are, yung iyong physical activity. Okay? So, first tip po for mindful eating, understand portion sizes. So, let's familiarize po yung basic serving sizes sa different food groups. Okay? So, okay po dyan kung meron ka pong food tracker, um, na meron pong mga nada-download para po matrack mo yung iyong kinakain. And always remember po, para matrack mo po kung how much yung iyong kinakain, always consider this, what you eat, when you eat, where you eat, why you eat, how much you eat. Okay? So again, what you eat, when you eat, where you eat, why you eat, and how much you eat. Ayan. So, next po is to eat slowly and savor. So, take your time to enjoy yung each bite, 'di ba? So, focus ka lang po sa kinakain mo and i-chew mo ng mabuti yung kinakain mo. Um, i-enjoy mo talaga yung amoy niya, yung lasa niya, yung bawat kagat mo na para ma-recognize mo yung flavor ng iyong kinakain. And number three po, listen to your body. So, yun nga sabi ko kanina, eat slowly para po yung brain natin mag-signal and ma-realize niya po na yung stomach natin ay full na. It will take at least 15 minutes po, 'di ba, to ma-cue ng ating brain yung fullness ng ating stomach. Okay? And of course, um, last tip po is plan meals ahead. So yung pag-prepare po ng meals ahead is very helpful para po sa healthy portion control. So kung napapractice nyo na po yung pagpa-plan ng meals ahead, yung mga pre-cook na, di ba, naka-frozen po yan, you can practice po yung portion control doon. Ayan, yung mga for the week, pre-cook na po yung mga meals for that week. Diba? So, very helpful po yung ganon. And of course, I would like also to share yung Herbalife's nutrition philosophy that is about balanced nutrition, healthy active lifestyle, and personalized supplementation. With Herbalife Nutrition Global Philosophy, hindi lang po fats, carbohydrates, protein ang kailangan ng ating katawan. But of course, nakita nyo po dyan, yung mga other circles, yung other kailangan ng katawan na nutrients, di ba? Vitamins and minerals, omega-3, phytonutrients, and very important po, rest, hydration, exercise. So this is a holistic approach po that will help us to develop yung balance sa ating food choices, sa ating overall aspects ng life. So not just focusing on the 30% fats, 30% protein, 40% carbohydrates. So with that po, maraming maraming salamat. I hope um, may nakuha po kayong lesson for today about servings and portions. And with that po, iiwanan ko po kayo ng isang awesome August. Maraming maraming salamat po.